Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So yesterday I put up a video, right, a little quick short about how to turn your beanie cap into, like, you know, a little quick little hat wig real fast or whatever, because I was getting ready for the football game and I didn't feel like doing my hair. It needs to be washed. As y'all can see, I done switch beanies or whatever, and so I got another one. But what I didn't do in the video, y'all, was show y'all how to actually clip your clip-ins onto your beanie. Okay, so in the comment section, so I'll put who hit me up with that good advice, because when I watched the playback after I done posted, I was like, yeah, I really didn't show y'all how to clip it into your beanie. You know what I mean? So that's good looking out. Thank you for the comment. And so because of that, I'm making this video to show you guys how you clip your clip-ins onto your beanie. Okay, so I have another beanie on hand. I had a bunch of them, but you know, I just picked red. You know, it's the holiday season and stuff like that. So, and that's another idea. You know, people coming over to the house, you don't feel like getting all dressed, you know what I mean? And you just want to look put together, you know, while everybody come over, eat, sit around, you know, open up gifts and stuff, and, you know, talking all that good stuff. And you just want to throw something on and look cute while you're around the house. This is one way that you can do it, okay? So you got your beanie, right? And this part right here is going, the flip up is going to hide your clips, okay? Because you're going to be clipping it onto the actual cap. And so you want to make sure that your beanie, you know, has enough flip action, you know what I mean, to be able to hide your clip once you clip it in, okay? So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get the camera at a different angle so you guys can see how to actually clip it on to the hat, okay? All right, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. These are double lines, so you just want to go in and jag it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's on the inside and it's double line, so you can jag it up. And I'm gonna show you how to do it on one where the crocheting is, the knitting is looser or whatever. So on this one, because like when I made my other hat only had like 3 tracks. So just depending on, you know, what you want to, I mean, not 3 tracks, but you know, 3 lines of clip-ins. But you just go in and you kind of rough it up a little bit. So little slits in there or whatever. And you just do how many rows of slits that you want to have. And as you can see, you create your little openings or whatever, but it's not going to show through on this side. It's not going to show through at all because it's double line. So y'all see that? So turn it around, and now you got your opening for your clip-in. And so you just take your clip-in, make sure it's open, and then you just go ahead and you clip it inside. Clip it in, boom. Boom, it's in there. See that? Boom, we in there. I should have got a shorter one. A shorter thing. But boom, we in there. And so you see that? And now you got your clip-in inside your beanie cap. And I'm about to show y'all on another one, okay? So I'll be right back so I can show, well, I already got it right here, but I'm finna go to the next clip. All right, y'all see right here? It's more open. This type of hat, the crochet, the knitting is more loose. So when you go to put your clip-in in, it's gonna go in so simple and easy because it's loose. So, you know, and you can't see nothing because it's behind. So you don't have to do no slitting on this one. It just goes right in. So you just stick it in like that. And then close it. And you're done. And then I'll do it again. So open, close, open. Make sure they open. Get your cap. And just stretch it a little bit. And then that's it. And then close it. Go in. Stick it in there. And then close it. And that's it. That's how it looks. And you're ready to get your day started. You know what I mean? Ready to get your day started. Okay, y'all. So for this type of cap, the knitting is very tight. So you want to distress it. Okay, so I showed y'all what it looks like to distress these on the inside. Give it a little distressing, and then you can put your clip-ins in once you distress it. But this kind right here, look how loose the knitting is. The knitting is really loose, so you don't have to do any distressing. Like, all you gotta do is just clip them in there, and then they good to go. And then when you don't want it no more, you just take your clip-ins out. Take the clip-ins off, like so. You know what I'm saying? And then that's it. And you got your hat. But the only difference is, or whatever, I mean, you got your hat back to normal, you know what I'm saying? And you can switch your clip-ins out if you want straight clip-ins or if you want your clip-ins curly, you know what I mean? Like the wavy ones I got in, or curly, or straight like this. You can do that or whatever. And then But you know, with your hat, it'll have a little, this hat will have a little distressing on the inside, but because it's double lined, you won't see none of the distressing that you put, you know what I mean, underneath, so that you can you know, put your clip-ins in. You won't see no distressing. All your distressing will be on the inside of your cap. And it's the same way. You could just take your clip-ins out, switch them out, make your beanie straight, curly, wavy like this or whatever. You can do what you want to do. You know what I mean? Take them and plait them up and make it like you got plaits coming out of your beanie. It's whatever you want to do. So, you know what I mean? Shout out to the person who commented to make sure that I go in and show you guys actually how to clip your clip-ins on your beanie caps. Okay, so yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this short, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, peace.